Hello, my name is Eden, and for this year's outreach class, I helped as a tutor for one of Mr. Bravo's students that was in sixth grade. And I guess his personality, like my tutoring student, he was very outgoing, very easy to understand, and he was like, I guess, willing to ask questions and put input into whatever we were reading and asking great questions, which was helpful for me. And overall, he was just really easy to tutor and like get to know because he was very open and understanding and all that. And I guess some stories I could share about tutoring were like when we were done with reading the article and like I was done tutoring, we finished all the questions and all that. My student, he would sometimes like share his screen every tutoring session, and he would share like funny photos or funny videos, and we would just like have fun and get to know each other through that time after we finished, which was good. And we would just get to know each other more and like share a bit about ourselves. And another story I wanted to share was like, I guess, a difficult day that I had as a tutor. I remember my student, he had to stay in the car with his family because they were going somewhere, and so he couldn't really help like read the article like we usually do. We would like take turns reading. So I just decided to work around it and be flexible by offering to help read the article instead, and then that worked out because when I finished reading the article, he went home and then he could answer all the questions and like just evaluate all the answers and questions about the article, so that helped. And the question about making any changes if I were to go back to outreach, I just wrote down that I guess I would extend like the time of tutoring. I felt like it was kind of short, like the days and like the months. Like basically, yeah, the time that we had tutoring was kind of short. It just felt like the days would go by so fast, and I feel like just to make it longer would mean that we get to know our students better and maybe help them and like outside of just reading the article, just in case if they have like help with like questions about like their tests or assignments. Like I feel like if we get to know them better over like a longer period of time, we could help them better because they're more comfortable like asking us questions and all that. So yeah. And then how that reach class prepared me for tutoring, I would say the lesson plans were very helpful. Just like having the lesson plans, filling it out to see what we would do every Tuesday really helped. So I just had like an idea in mind of what to do on Tuesdays, and what Mrs. Nardi or the teacher could do better with preparing us for tutoring, or for me with tutoring, I guess. I didn't really expect us to go into like breakout rooms and go one-on-one with tutoring, but I think over time I got used to that. But I didn't really expect that at first, so because I thought we were gonna be tutoring like in a big group. But yeah. And then the last thing is the one big takeaway I had of tutoring. Overall tutoring was very fun and very enjoyable with my student. I guess when I first started tutoring, I was quite nervous about it, and like I was like, I guess really inexperienced with children, like especially like the tutoring stuff. And I think overall my student made it very easy and enjoyable to like tutor him, because we would like make jokes a lot while we were like reading, and we would just get to know each other after reading the articles, and we just just showed funny videos and like photos, or he would, and I feel like that, I guess, created a stronger bond between both of us. So it was really fun overall. So yeah.